and he goes to push.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
If I go here and I drop to this and he starts pushing the counter, I just jump right back up. The other side with that is if I go here and I go down and he goes to push, it's a great way off the mount. Here, I go to get off the mount, he grabs me and he's holding me. Now I'm in this stuff and the other guy's coming. So you hit the ground here and you go sideways. And then you go this way, and then we're this way, and then we're this way, or this way, and then I can come back up this way.
You don't have to worry about